In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new AI meeting note taker. We'll walk through how to turn on HubSpot's transcription and analysis so your calls and meetings are automatically captured, summarized, and easier to follow up on. This feature may depend on your subscription, permissions, and region, but the path is the same. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Use your normal login or your company's single sign-on if that's how you access HubSpot. Keep your credentials secure and only log in on trusted devices. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's the settings area. Click it to open your account and product settings. We'll make all our changes from here. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Tools and select Calling. This is where HubSpot manages your calling experience, numbers, recordings, routing, and the intelligence features that power the AI note taker. Inside Calling, choose Call Setup. Think of this as the control center for global calling preferences. It's the quickest way to make sure your team's calls are configured consistently. Next, open Call Configurations. This page contains deeper options for how calls are handled, recorded, and processed. It's also where you'll find the AI features that turn conversations into searchable, actionable notes. Scroll until you see Transcription and Analysis. Depending on your edition, this may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the section that references transcriptions, analysis, or conversation intelligence. When you find it, toggle the switch to Enable. Turning this on allows HubSpot to transcribe supported calls and meetings, analyze key moments, and generate insights like highlights, next steps, and talk time breakdowns. If you see a Save button, click it. If not, HubSpot will auto-save the change. From now on, eligible calls will be processed automatically. A few quick tips in case you don't see the toggle or it's grayed out. You may need admin permissions, a supported seat, or recording turned on for calls. Some languages and regions have different support levels, and your legal team may require notifying participants and obtaining consent before recording and transcribing. If anything looks off, check with your HubSpot administrator. After enabling, your call summaries and transcripts will appear on the associated contact, company, or deal timeline under calls. That's where you can review key moments, copy action items, and share notes with your team. And that's it. Your AI meeting note taker is now active. Thanks for watching and happy calling.